Dogs are cuter than Schnauzers are really cute, but they never win any prizes.
What do you mean they don't win any prizes?
They don't. At all the shows, maybe they'll have one competing, but it never wins. Look at the face.
That's a cute dog.
Isn't that cute? Oh, he's adorable.
How many of those do you have now?
Well, I'd have the ones that are down there. That one's cute too. This one has the cutest face though. A little smoky.
How many of those Schnauzers did you have?
In my lifetime?
Yeah.
3. I just think they're the cutest dog as far as looks go.
What about personality-wise?
And personality-wise, they're a one-person dog. They don't like kids that much.
Mm.
Kids irritate them. They don't like to have their little ears. I love to get he loved to have his little chin, his little whiskers. But that's the way he'd look up at you.
No smoky?
He lived 17 years. They're pretty healthy. They start out black when they're babies. They're mostly black, and then they keep turning lighter and lighter, and they get gray. I've seen a white one all white. It was beautiful. The Alakas. The Alakas had a little
would.
all white Schnauzer.
Mm-hmm.
Put it over there. Oh my God, look at those dresses.
No, I'm not going to get any more.
Oh, those dresses are adorable. Do they
You can leave the door
one?
open, babe. Am I in your
They're
seat,
different
Yoni?
color, though. That makes it different.
She's put a shirt on top.
Did they already have breakfast?
We already had breakfast, lots of it.
Did you see the face of my new little Schnauzer? Look at his little face. Look how he looked at you.
Is he cute?
Oh, that it looked. Sylvia got this for me at the restaurant. But I try to keep it away because look how pretty it is. It's more like a little doorstop.